Welcome to our video on navigating tax filing after transitioning from an F1 student visa to an H-1B work visa. In this video, we'll break down how this change affects your tax filing process and offer some key recommendations. In this video, we will discuss the following key topics: understanding tax residency status, choosing the right tax software or professional, managing state tax obligations, gathering required documents, and our recommendations and tips based on your transition. Let's begin with some key considerations for tax filing when transitioning from an F1 student visa to an H-1B work visa. These include understanding tax residency, using appropriate tax software or professional help, and knowing your state tax obligations. One important aspect is determining your tax residency status. You can either be a resident or non-resident alien, which is based on the substantial presence test that evaluates your time presence in the U.S. and visa type. For example, resident aliens usually file more extensive forms compared to non-resident aliens. Now let's have a quiz. What is a determining factor for your tax residency status? Is it the type of visa you hold, the length of your presence in the U.S., both A and B, or none of the above? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is both A and B. Both the type of visa you hold and the length of your presence in the U.S. are crucial in determining your tax residency status. When it comes to choosing the right tax software or professionals, it's important to know that the software you use during your F1 period may not be suitable for H-1B processes. It's advisable to research and compare different tax software and CPAs who specialize in taxes for non-resident and resident aliens, ensuring they support essential forms like 1040 and 8843. State tax obligations can differ from what you might expect federally. For example, if you're in Massachusetts, you must file a state income tax return in addition to your federal forms. Since tax obligations vary by state, keeping informed is crucial. For your tax filing, make sure to gather all necessary documents. First, collect your W-2s from your employer and ensure you have any relevant 1099 forms. Additionally, gather other financial records to ensure accuracy in tax filing. It's always a good practice to consult a tax professional or check IRS guidelines to verify all required documents. In summary, we recommend consulting a tax professional for guidance. Explore tax software that supports both resident and non-resident aliens forms. Remember to stay informed about both federal and state tax obligations and collect all necessary documents meticulously. Thank you for watching our video on navigating tax filing after an F1 to H-1B transition. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.